Hello, guys. Have a good time. I am Behan, and I am with you in the 14th Python language training session. In the previous session, I discussed comparison operators, and in this session, we will also review logical operators. Let's go to see what logical operators are and what they're used for. Let me understand you better with an example. Suppose you want to go on a trip and plan for it. If the weather is sunny or cloudy, you go on a trip. Otherwise, you don't go. Now, another example is that if a person is over 18 years old and does not study, he should go to work. Otherwise, it is not time yet. And another example is that my sister says that if my brother doesn't come, I won't go on a trip either. Pay attention to these three examples. One of them is, or is, one is, and is, one is not. So let's try these three examples together by coding. Let's go to the Visual Studio software and create a Python file. Well, in the logical operators and only propositions are true, and all of them are true. As you can see, all statements must be true for our answer to be correct. Well, in logical operators, all only propositions that are all false are false. And now, I will make examples of this. As you can see, all statements must be false for our answer to be false. Well, in the logical operators of not, it shows us the picture of the statement, which I will now give examples of in this case. As you can see, the photo has shown the proposition for us. Okay, we will finish this session, and in the next session, we will deal with the practical project, the rock, paper, scissors game, and I will teach it to you. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.